All right. So step one, reorder these so that you've got whole numbers with fractions. So my whole numbers are going to be 5 plus 4. You should have already done that. If you didn't, do it now. Then you've got 5 twelfths plus 11 twelfths. Okay? All right. Add your whole numbers together. What's 5 plus 4? That's 9. Add your fractions together. I need you to not do that, please.
9, 6, 7.
16 over 12. Good job. Because 5 plus 11 is 16, and we don't mess with that denominator. Please don't do that. Okay. Is this an okay answer?
No.
No. Why? Braden, is that not an okay answer, Braden? Why is that not an okay answer? Braden, what's wrong with this fraction? Huh? Yeah, that numerator is bigger than the denominator. And we can't have that when you've got a whole number with it, okay? So what we're going to do, what did I tell you that this line is?
The numerator.
It's division.
Oh,
It's a divided by sign. So I want you to take this 16 twelfths. Do that. All right. How many times, Caleb, will 12 go into 16 before it gets to be too much? Well, okay. So 12 plus 12 is 24. That's too much, right? So we're only going to be able to get one out of it, right? Okay. I need you to do this.
Completely.
Okay. 1 times 12 is?
12.
What do I do now? I subtract. Very good job, Jason. 16 minus 12 is?
4.
Okay. That is our remainder, right? Now what? I need, no. 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 This is our remainder. When we are doing fractions, put that remainder up here. Put this number as the denominator. So 16 twelfths is actually 1 and 4 twelfths. Okay? I see some of you did not write that down and you're just sitting there staring. Not cool. Okay, so we changed this 16 twelfths to 1 and 4 twelfths. So now we just need to add these together.
10 and
10 and 4 twelfths. That's it. 10 and 4 twelfths. Guys, you all are about to do this completely on your own. I've got a worksheet that's got 16 of these on there. If you are not paying it, no. If you are not paying, put your hand down. If you're not paying attention right now, there's no way you're going to be able to do this by yourself. Physically impossible. So if I were you, I would start paying attention. Please turn around. Guys, this class, you are being so rude today. Please don't do that. All right. Let's do another one. Guys, some of you, I'm watching you write this down, and there's no, like, you're writing numbers just all over your page. They're sloppy. Like, I don't really understand how you're making any sense of it in order to work it out. Make sure that you're keeping your stuff lined up and neat. Otherwise, you're going to have no idea what you wrote down and how to work it out. Okay, this is the next one we're going to do together. 1.5 plus 7.5. What? Millie, did you write this down? You did not. I'm watching you guys. Step 1, what do I do, Logan? I gotta do what? The 1 and the 7. Yeah, I'm gonna reorder it. So I'm gonna rewrite my problem. I'm gonna write 1 plus 7 plus 1/2 plus 1/2. Okay, let's add together those whole numbers. What do we get? That one's 8. Add together these fractions.
That
What are
gives you a
gonna
whole
get?
number. That gives you
Thank you for raising your hand, Terry.
And 1 2/4.
Oh, no, remember you don't mess with those denominators. Don't mess with the critter. 2, oh, I love it. 2/2, which is also just
whole
1.
So it's just
So you've got 8 plus,
What happened? What?
who? This is like the third time this has happened today.
who?
I think that it's another teacher trying to share. No, it's another teacher that's trying to fix it. Hold on.
Take the water.
Did you fix it? What?
Okay. So, yes, this was 1. So, you've got 8 plus 1. What's your answer, guys? That's it. Good job. All right. Moving right along. I'm going to do one more example with you. Then I'm going to pass these out, and you're going to do this on your own with no help. A calculator's not going to help you on this. You can use a calculator. It's not really going to, like, if you don't know how to do the math, though, a calculator's not going to do a hill of beans for you. But, of course, you can use it if you get one. I just don't know if it's going to help. Okay. 7 2/3 plus 7 2/3.
Huh?
Shh, please don't do that. He's not here today. You should have written that problem, and you should have reordered that problem and rewritten it. Guys, don't look at me like you're confused. We just did it twice. You write down the whole numbers. Delphia, honey, you have to do this. And then you write down the fractions. Give me a thumbs up when you've done that. I'm not going to do it for you first. I need everybody to do it on their own before I move on. Honey, you have to rewrite the problem. That's what I just said. You're not listening. Guys, you have to rewrite the problem. Look, you write the whole numbers first. This is literally what we have been doing for a week. 7
14
plus 7. Did you just write that, baby? Okay, now you're going to add the fractions. 2/3
Plus 2/3.
plus 2/3.
Equals
Shh, please.
my god.
Why are they doing this to us? Raiden. They're probably trying to get it. Thanks for help. They do it again.
Hold on just a second.
We need to make it more they can't do that.
Yeah, hold on, I gotta.
Well, while you're doing that, I guess they get some time to do this.
I believe they had like 400 pieces, 200 billion, 600,000, billion, infinity, plus infinity, plus infinity.
That's straight so hard.
I don't know how much it is, Bella.
Hold on.
So just in case it has some staff.
Okay. Hopefully fix it so that they cannot access our thing again. Woo, jeez.
That's funny.
All right, but that should have given you time to add those up. So everybody in here should have that added up by now.
How? You can't do 6 there. That ain't in it.
Baby, what? You're talking and it's distracting. Please don't do that. Everybody in this room better have a whole number and a fraction now. Okay, Jacob, tell me what you got. Guys,
15.
if you yell out one more time, I'm going to take recesses. Jesse, thank you for raising your hand. 14, yes. You add the whole numbers first, right? Did you do this? When you add those, some of you aren't even writing it down this way. You stacked it up. And so you're confused because you're not doing what I'm doing. Like, write what I'm writing. Don't make it harder. Now, Terry, add these two fractions for me.
It's 4/3.
4/3, good job. Now, we've got 14 plus 4/3. We can't do 4/3. Okay? So, guys, please use your manners, please.
Please be nice.
All right, Axel, how many times will 3 go into 4? Baby, count by 3s. Yep. Just 1, right? Because 3, 6, that's too much. So you only get 1 3. So 1. 1 times 3 is 3.
Oh.
You subtract, you get a remainder of 1. What do I do with the remainder? Danny, what do I do with that remainder of 1? I put it up here on top as my new numerator. What is my denominator, guys? 3. So now, this 4/3 is actually 1 and 1/3. So when I add 14 plus 1 and 1/3, Colby, what do I get? 14 plus 1. Okay, so 15. And do we need to add this 1/3 to anything? No, it's just like, it just is, right? There, 15 and 1/3, that is your answer. What, babe? Yeah.
Oh, that makes sense.
Okay. To subtraction, but I don't feel like you guys are getting the addition lesson, but you were doing this a couple days ago.
It's easy to me.
Well, I mean, easy to some people, it's difficult. My concern is that it's not that it's difficult, it's that I see a lot of you that are not, like, here. You're not participating. You're not writing anything down. You're just kind of like, put that, please. I'll tell you what. If I give y'all one more problem and every person in this room gets it right and covers their answer, you can't have any help with it, and I mean every person, I will take 10 problems off this worksheet. And you only have to do like 6 of them. But I mean to tell you, every human in this room has to get it right. So cover your work. Because that'll tell me whether or not you were actually listening to my lesson. And if even one of you checked out and was not listening,
We could.
it's going to be bad times. All right.
Cook.
Thanks. Your manners are horrific today. Please stop. Who's talking? Please quit. Okay, let's do this one. 3 4/8 plus 9 6/8. Cover your answer when you get it. I'm not helping you with this. I just did a bunch of examples. We probably did 20 examples yesterday of the same stuff. You have to do this by yourself. Do like I just now taught you. Step 1, what do?
You add the reason for you bring it down.
You're going to reorder it. Good job. So you're going to read 3 plus 9 plus 4/8 plus 6/8. Maybe you should have it on your paper. You shouldn't need to be looking up here. I'm not giving you any answers. Like if you're looking to me to save you,
You're not.
I'm not. Sorry. You got to do this one on your own.
Oh.
I'll give us all 2 minutes. Give me a thumbs up when you've got it right here at your chest, and I'll come check it. Sweetie, what are you looking at the multiplication table for? That's not.
8 can
We're not
only
doing
go
any
in
multiplication.
And
Hell.
that.
So,
I'm done.
in just a minute. Cover your answers up. You got close, but you really skipped a huge step.
Oh.
So look at it one more time.
Okay.
Anybody else need me to look at theirs? Think you got it? I just need to check and see if you got the right answer.
What did I skip? What did I skip? Did I forget?
Answer.
I forgot to add these. Oh, okay. I get it. Plus So it's 13.
Okay, Hoss. Nice.
I fixed it.
There you go. Cover that answer though, please. Keep that covered. Over a small one, so you don't have to do this. Use your bottle. Pull out the whole. Okay, where-
I forgot to add the one.
There you go.
Yeah, I forgot to add the
Go on. Go on.
I didn't know how to write in person.
Because I'm 47 years old.
Person's hard. No, wait.
Okay. It's,
Here.
you have another, you show me. Okay, guys, I've got to move on. I've already looked at it. You got it? Up to it. Okay, let's work through this, guys. Tell me what your answer is. No. No, you just have to tell me what the answer is. Shh. You, listen, you got very close. You did the same thing Carson Turner did. You all stopped before you got the final answer. So, here's what everybody in here needs to do. Rewrite your problem. 3 plus 9 plus 4/8 plus, what is happening back there? Quit. Please quit. All right. Most of you got that this was 12. Okay? If your whole number at the very end of this was any less than 12, you know you got it wrong. That's not a reasonable answer. Okay? Because it's going to be 12 and then some parts more. All right? What is 4/8 plus 6/8? Guys, what is 4 plus 6?
14.
10, guys. Oh my goodness. 10/8. Okay. A lot of you wrote this as your answer. Can you have a larger number on top? Okay. So what you had to do here, you had one more step you had to do. Shh. Please, please, please don't be rude. I have no idea why some of you are not even looking up here or writing anything down. Guys. Which word you just wrote that? Okay, thank you. All right. How many groups of 8 can we fit into 10?
No, 1.
1, guys. 1/8. Okay? Put your 1 up there. Okay. Now, 1 times 8 is 8. So we subtract. We get a 2. That's our remainder, right? You take your remainder, put it here, put this with it. Some of you put, this is your answer. This are these two added together. You still have this guy. So Now we have to do 1 2/8 added to this original 12. So your answer is 13 into 2/8. Okay? All right.